Did you know that as many as 20% of Americans have a mistake on their credit report? And 5% are actually getting overcharged for their credit cards, auto loans, insurance policies, and more because of it. That's according to a study that was made in 2012 and issued by federal regulators. The errors that are showing up on your report could make your score a little or a lot lower than it actually should be. If you leave it, you could end up spending a lot more than you need to. If you fix it, however, you could save a whole lot of money. What's great is that credit bureaus are required to fix all mistakes on your report, but they tend to go unnoticed. Unfortunately, in many cases, the process isn't smooth due to mistakes done during the process. Here are the most common dispute mistakes. Not knowing your report. You need to make sure you're very clear on what your report is saying and what it means before you dispute anything. If you don't know how to read the report, you may dispute something that's accurate or choose not to dispute something that's inaccurate. Not supplying the right information. You'll need to support your claim that the information in your report is inaccurate, and that means you need proper documentation. If you don't have the right documentation, your claim could be denied without even really looking into it. Filing a dispute before a new application. If you dispute something, it means that the item may not be taken into account when your score is being calculated for up to 30 days. After all, that's how long the credit bureau has to respond and investigate your claim. As a result, when you're applying for something new, you may not get the full score that you would otherwise because of information that's being held. Disputing to a lender. You want to dispute the information that's being reported on your credit report directly to the reporting bureau. Yes, that information actually came from a lender, but that doesn't mean they can get the problem resolved faster. If you don't approach the right individual person, your information may not get where it needs to, or information may not be investigated properly. Credit reporting bureaus have a process that they follow to investigate your claims, and that's going to make the process much simpler. Not being clear. Explain exactly what you're disputing and why you believe it to be incorrect. The clearer and more concise you are about what you see, the easier it's going to be for the Credit Reporting Bureau to investigate, and that means they're going to get through the process much faster. On the bottom line, if you ever find an error on your credit report, you should take the time to dispute it immediately. Anything that's incorrect, even a wrong name or address, could result in major problems down the road, and could mean that you could have even more problematic errors in the future. While disputing anything can take time and be frustrating, it's definitely worth the effort that you're going to put into it. That's it for now. On our website, you can find more posts, as well as calculators and other financial tools. Did you spot some errors to correct? We would love to know your thoughts, so feel free to share them with us in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the best financial videos for free.